Ever wondered what foods can help prevent heart attack and diabetes? No? Well, you should, unless you're a vampire and your diet consists solely of type O negative. As we journey through the gastronomic galaxy, it's essential to remember that our food choices significantly impact our heart health and blood sugar levels. It's a sort of cosmic balance, if you will. Sure, we all fantasize about living in a world where we can gorge on pizza and ice cream without any repercussions, a world where calories are imaginary much like unicorns and cholesterol levels are as mythical as a vampire's reflection. But let's swing back to reality, where our bodies are complex machines that need the right fuel to function correctly. It's not all doom and gloom though. The world of health-conscious eating isn't just about bland salads and tasteless tofu. But alas, we're humans, not vampires or unicorns. So let's dive into the world of health-conscious munching. Spinach, broccoli, kale sounds like a rabbit's grocery list, right? But these leafy greens are not just bunny food. They're the superstars of the veggie world, the green heroes if you will. Why, you ask? Well, these green heroes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They're like the Avengers of the food world, each with their own superpowers. Spinach, our very own Hulk, is bursting with fiber, ready to smash those pesky cholesterol levels down. Then there's broccoli, our Hawkeye, aiming straight for your heart with its heart-healthy nutrients. And let's not forget kale, the Thor of the leafy greens, wielding its mighty hammer of vitamins to ward off diabetes. These leafy greens are a triple threat against heart disease and diabetes. They're like the crime-fighting trio of the food world, always ready to defend your health. So, next time you see these green heroes in your salad, remember, they are not just there to make it look pretty. Ever heard of omega-3 fatty acids? No, they are not the latest boy band, but they are quite popular in the health world. They're like the Rolling Stones of the nutrition scene. Ageless, popular, and they're good for your heart. Now let's meet the band members. On lead vocals we have fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are all packed with these heart-friendly nutrients. They're like the Mick Jaggers of the omega-3 world, stealing the spotlight with their high omega-3 content. Next up on the drums we have walnuts. They may not have the glamour of our fishy friends, but they keep the beat going with their own generous share of omega-3s. This rockstar squad is known for reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. They're like a health insurance policy, but way more delicious. So rock your diet with omega-3 and keep that heart beating to the right rhythm. Fiber. It's not just for keeping you regular, if you know what I mean. It's like the superhero of the dietary world, swooping in to save the day and your health. Now you might be thinking, fiber? Seriously? Isn't that for grandmas? Well, let's get one thing straight. Fiber's not just about keeping your digestive system on track, it's also a key player in controlling blood sugar levels. Picture this, you're at a party and there's a sugar rush happening. Fiber is the bouncer at the door, making sure things don't get too out of control. And it doesn't stop there. Fiber also lowers the risk of heart disease. It's like a tiny mighty warrior, battling against the forces of cholesterol and winning. So what's on the menu? Whole grains, lentils, beans? They're not just good for you, they're your allies in this health journey. So embrace the power of fiber and keep things moving smoothly, in more ways than one. So we've met the green heroes, the omega-3 squad, and the fiber force. Sounds like a nutritious Avengers team, doesn't it? Let's do a quick roll call. Leading the green heroes, we have spinach and broccoli, packing a punch with their high vitamin and mineral content. They're like the Hulks of our diet, strong and green. Next up, we have the omega-3 squad. Salmon, mackerel, and walnuts are the Iron Men of the nutrition world, with their heart-protecting superpowers. And let's not forget the fiber force, with oats and beans acting as the Captain Americas, keeping our blood sugar levels steady and strong. But here's the twist in our plot. You're the real superhero here. These nutrient-loaded allies are just tools in your arsenal. Your superpower? Choosing the right foods. Remember, when it comes to your health, you're the superhero. Your power? Choosing the right foods. Now go out there and save the day, one meal at a time.